Hello and welcome to this amazing platform Prince Sen Shah. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic for CSIR NET physical sciences, name is atomic and molecular physics. This topic is not only important for CSIR NET but also for GATE, JEST, MSc and B.sc. So myself is Prince Sen. I am a Master of Science in Physics and today I am going to start the series in which we shall study atomic and molecular physics, and in next slide we are going to discuss our syllabus. So this is our next slide, and first topic of our syllabus is atomic physics. As I already mentioned, this topic is atomic and molecular physics. So first part is atomic physics and second one is molecular spectra. So in atomic physics we shall discuss about quantum states of an electron in an atom, electron spin, a spectrum of helium and alkali atoms, relativistic corrections for energy levels of hydrogen atom, hyperfine structures and isotopic shift, width of spectrum lines, and LS and JJ couplings, Zeeman, Paschen-Beck, and Stark effects, electron spin resonance, and nuclear magnetic resonance. Also, nuclear magnetic resonance is known as NMR. You all are familiar about this name. And after this, we shall discuss chemical shift, Frank-Condon principle, Born-Oppenheimer approximation. So this was an overview of the syllabus for atomic physics. Now we are going to discuss about molecular spectra. In this topic, we shall discuss different types of spectra of diatomic molecules like electronic, rotational, and vibrational and Raman spectra of diatomic molecules, the molecules in which two atoms are present. Thereafter, we shall discuss selection rule for molecular spectra. Then we shall discuss a very important topic which is known as lasers. We shall discuss in this topic spontaneous and stimulated emission, Einstein's A and B coefficient, optical pumping and population inversion, and equation for population inversion rate, and modes of resonators and coherence length. So this was our syllabus for CSIR NET physical science, and topic was atomic and molecular physics. The subject carries almost 15 marks in CSIR NET, and sometimes it being asked in 20 marks. So now we are going to discuss about our goals behind this series. First of my goal is to cover most of your syllabus so that we are able to solve most of our problems from this subject. I will keep my focus on objective exam pattern approach so that it will be helpful for your objective pattern semester exams and also in CSIR NET and GATE. I also want to make you ready for physics competitive exams like CSIR NET and JRF JEST set and other physics examinations. Also, I will try to provide you the notes for fast revisions, and I will try to cover all the aspects from basic to advanced so that these sessions will be helpful for undergraduates, postgraduates, and physics competition aspirants as well. So this was all about our syllabus and our goals, and now I want to thank you to all to be here, and I will try to meet your expectation, and thank you again for watching this video. Thank you.